welcome to all our viewers. You are watching Project Talk webinar by PropTiger, where we connect our buyers with the best in the industry. I am Survi Gupta, your host, and today we are joined by expert panelists from Imami Realty. I would like to introduce Mr. BP Singh Roy, AVP Sales, and Mr. Ashish Puri, GM Sales and Marketing. From
Good afternoon.
PropTiger, we are joined by Shabrinathan, City Head. Warm welcome to all our panelists. Now, Imami Realty is one of the renowned real estate groups known for creating remarkable residences, offices, and retail spaces across India. PropTiger is India's leading real estate advisory firm to have served more than 25,000 home buyers throughout their journey at zero brokerage for customers. May I request Team Imami Realty and Mr. Nathan to go ahead with a brief introduction of the companies that they are representing. Mr. Nathan, please start.
Yes, of course. Thank you, Shuravi, for a warm welcome. Good afternoon, one and all. And I hope everyone has been safe, you and your loved ones. So very happy to introduce about PropTiger. So PropTiger, known as a company for the last 1 decade now. So we established in 2011 with the dynamic business leaders. And PropTiger has helped more than 10,000 people on their dream homes through by 500 employees of dedicated employees. So we operate across in India about for 8 cities, and we have a presence all major cities like Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad in south. In west, we have in Mumbai, and we have in Ahmedabad, we have in Calcutta, and north we have in Gurgaon and Noida. So as of now, we have been serviced more than 15,000 clients, and we sold 25,000 homes in the last 1 decade's time. So very, very happy to meet you all. So over to Mr. Ashish.
Hi, myself Ashish Puri from Imami Realty. We are there in real estate businesses 2015 in Chennai. The company Imami, everybody knows, is a very old company. I'd like to give right now to speak to Mr. BP Singh Roy to give the detailed discussion of Imami Realty. Over to you, sir.
Hi friends, thank you all for joining us. Very troubled times, but business continues, and we are tough people, all of us, so we carry on. Imami has been in the industry. Imami Realty Limited is part of the Imami Group, which has been here for almost 4 decades now. Household names like Imami Agrotech, we have paper mills, we have CRI Tips, which makes the ballpoint tips largest in the world. We have AMRI hospitals, we have Frank Ross, who produces medicines. So all household names, and Fair and Handsome, Zandu Balm, they're all part of our households. Imami Realty is part of this 25,000 crore market cap group. We are a listed company. Done almost 36 million square feet across 7 states, and we are also present in Colombo. We are in Mumbai, we are in Indore, we are in Jhansi, we are in Chennai, we are in Kolkata, we are in Bhubaneswar, and many more projects to come. Chennai especially, we have Imami Tejomaya, which is a complete project. Ashish, my friend, will take you through that. As a company, we have a very strict guidelines and very goodwill to preserve, and that is why whatever we build in Imami Realty, we do it with the best in the industry. The likes of the architects are mostly from outside India, international. L&T does most of our constructions, so we give you the best of the quality. In a nutshell, we have almost 2,000 acres as in a land bank with us, 3,500 crores invested as on date, and 45 lakh square feet delivered. The total sales volume out of 3 projects, we have done almost 1,300 crores. In a nutshell, for us, we should be launching 5 projects in the near future. Backbone, if you ask, Imami has such a backbone that it went ahead and launched the project of 100 acres of Jhansi during the lockdown period. Over to Ashish. Survi, you can guide us.
So can we run the PPT for the Imami?
Before we begin, let me show you why Navalun continues
Yeah.
to enjoy buyers' attention over the years. Here's a video for all our viewers.
Known as the Detroit of Asia, Chennai, the capital city of Tamil Nadu, is located on the Coromandel coast of the Bay of Bengal. Chennai is the biggest cultural, economic, and educational center in South India and is also one of the largest economies with the third highest GDP per capita in India. Chennai has been selected as one of the cities under Prime Minister's Smart City mission and so is said to be one of the best global cities to live in. Chennai has managed to sail through the economic slowdown that hit the real estate industry and has witnessed a year-on-year rise in residential sales. Navalur, Chennai's suburb, demand a huge realty market due to the vast availability of land, making the price of properties considerably low. Located in the south of Chennai, with one of the major commercial corridors passing through the heart of the locality, Navalur is one such micro market with growing realty demand and houses at affordable prices. Understanding this demand, Imami Realty are introducing their latest state-of-the-art project in Navalur. With the presence of over 3.6 crore square feet development across pan-India at different stages of planning, construction and delivery, Imami Realty are committed to excellence in design and construction. One of their premier milestone project is Imami Tejomaya. A residential landmark in Chennai, Imami Tejomaya is a project with 3 towers of 27 floors and 1 tower of 11 floors with 77% open space, 50,000 square feet of beautifully landscaped central garden, 5-star club and a recreation space on podium level. With best-in-class features and amenities, this luxurious residential project has everything you need to live your dream life. Come home to luxury, tranquility, and a brilliant life at Imami Tejomaya.
That was an interesting take on Navalur and Imami Tejomaya. Let's get to some question answers. Tell us, how is Navalur as an investment destination and what is the scope of development like? Mr. Ashish, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, sure, why not? Navalur, as it is situated in a southern periphery of Chennai region, and rapid development with respect to IT companies is happening there. Navalur has also become a shopping hub for the employees who are staying here, plus also the families. There are two very big commercial development which happened called Vivira Mall and Marina Mall. Sholingnallur Sirusari Navalur zone that consists of maximum IT professional. You have a good scenic beauty out here, plus accessibility of good beaches in ECR Road, which is very hardly less than 1 kilometer is from here. And metro connectivity in phase 2 from Medhavakam to Sirusari IT Park. This can be a game changer for OMR Road. I think it's a huge potential.
Okay. Can you tell us about the USPs of Imami Tejomaya and what do you think will appeal to home buyers?
Yeah, first of all, let me tell you, Survi, that this is a ready-to-move-in flat located bang on OMR with a high rental income. We have a 5-star facility club with a swimming pool and gymnasium constructed by L&T. And you can see the building is Maivan technology, and which consists of studio 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK apartments. The project is location-wise, the project is absolutely good, and the vicinity of the project, you have all the catchment area, commercial, IT zones. It's beautiful, sir.
In terms of price movement, how does Navalur fare? Mr. Shabir, would you like to take that question, please?
Yes, sure, Ravi, I can. Currently, the properties in Navalur and surroundings area has not reached the pinnacle in terms of a price. But once the metro work will start, then the huge apprehension will be there. So that's what we're accepting from Norway market.
Okay. Who is your target audience and which age group is most active when it comes to property buying, especially in the Navalur market? Mr. Ashish, would you like to take that up, please?
Yes, since this property is surrounded mostly by IT professionals, the target audience is the age group of 30 to 50 years, or maybe more than that. But yeah, we are targeting first-time home buyers. We are targeting RT professionals. We are also targeting the commercial who are opening out here. So this is the basic target audience, and the vicinity of the project. Again, I'm saying the location of the project is commendable.
Could you also throw some light on the property options available at Imami Tejomaya?
Yeah, we have right now availability in 3 BHK and 4 BHK category. The 3 BHK is 1650 square feet and the 4 BHK is 2021 square feet that's available now. And the price segment that you can say we starts from 75 lakh onwards, goes till 1 CR.
Moving on to our next segment.
It's not audible.
Surabhi, can you please check? It's not audible.
Surabhi, can you please repeat? It's not audible.
Can we have the presentation, please, Mr. Ashish?
Okay. You guys can see the screen?
Yes, we can.
Surabhi, can you see the yeah. Can you roll to the next slide, please? This is the elevation of the building, how it's look like. It's an attic, but right now we have completed project. Next slide. This is the aerial view of the project. On the left hand side, you can see the OMR road. On the right hand side, it's the sea view. Ready to move in apartment. Already 225 families are living inside comfortably and enjoying their life. The land area is approximately 8.35 acres, 498 apartment. We have 5.5 lakh development already done, 77% open area, 4 towers, 3 towers of 27 floor, 1 tower of 11 floor, apartment ranging from 2 studio, 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK. Exclusive 5-star club with recreational space on the podium level. This is our master plan. We have a beautiful developed OSR area, wide roads, divided among 2 sections. One is tower E, one is tower ABC. This slide is telling why to choose Imami Tejomaya. As I told you again, the location and the vicinity of the project is very good. You can see the Bay of Bengal just behind the project on the left-hand side. Again, this old Mahabalipuram road, which connects to Mahabalipuram, and still the development till Mahabalipuram, the Japanese garden, which is coming up at Mahabalipuram. This is a view from the site of OMR Road, how the traffic movement is there. Next slide, please. This is the IT Sirusuri Park, which I was talking about, that all the big IT company, TCS, so everyone, they are, TCS itself has 24,000 employees, and they are coming up with 50,000 more employees here. So right now, totally 1 lakh employees are working in IT Park, and more than that, double can be the figure in next 5 years. Excellent accessibility near Navlu Toll, well-developed neighborhood with IT SIPCOT, exclusive 5-star club and recreational space, ecologically friendly environment with 77% open, construction, Larsen and Toubro, designed by an internationally acclaimed experts, SRS and Site Tectonics. Height of the towers, ABC, is 92 meters. Our consultant are like we have Larsen and Tribune, construction, landscape, consultant at Site Tectronic, SRSS is principal architect, Main Heart is our MEP's engineering solutions. Amenities, again, infinity pool, kids pool area, sports arena, spa, water and sewage treatment plant, clubhouse, beautifully landscaped central garden, convenience store. We have 4 convenience stores inside that. Then children's wet play area, children's play area, multi-purpose banquet hall. This is the actual photo, how what is been come up, how the site is located. It's already offered for the position, 225 families already residing here. And this is the high rise. You can see on the back side, white building is the 27th floor, and the front building with the brown and white combination is 11th floor E tower. This is one more elevation, side view of the E tower. Yeah, we have the solar panel on the roof and the view of podium amenities. Like you can see the swimming pool on the back side, and with a multi-purpose yoga lawn and children kids play area. These are the white roads. Next slide, please. Free data service and free cable TV for lifetime at club. We are providing that service inside the premises. This is some of the amenities we are providing inside the clubhouse, which I already told you. Gymnasium, yoga center, Imami Club. This is our Colliers International, which is managing the facility service. It's a 3-tier security service and in best-in-class facility management team. NIS Security Solutions Facility Management. Colliers is a well-known brand all over the world. We used MyOne structure, aluminum formwork system. That is the system mechanism we have used to build up this structure. This is the view for the apartment. This is a this is coming is a canal, Birmingham Canal we call it, and next you can see the sea view that is there, which is seen from our side. Nearly all the, let me tell you, Sukhbir, nearly all the flats have this kind of views. Next slide, please. This is how it look like in the evening time. If you are sitting in the balcony, you will have a beautiful view of the apartment, sea breeze. In fact, you can see the waves also of the sea. This is our sample flat. And a lot of houses have already, because the people have started living, people have built like that. This is the living area, dining area. Can you show them? This is the kitchen, and this is one of the bedroom on a 4 BHK. As Mr. Roy said that we are coming, we have the ongoing project in Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, Jhansi, and many more to come. We would be coming up with the phase 2 also very soon after this thing. Thank you so much.
Thank you, team, for the presentation. I'm glad to introduce Dr. Nitesh Kumar, CEO of Imami Realty. Welcome, sir.
Yeah, hi everybody. You able to see me or listen to me?
No, sir, your video is not visible.
Okay, is it okay?
Yeah, it's fine.
Okay, you guys able to hear me?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, great. Great, thank you everybody and giving me this opportunity. I was supposed to have a con call which ended pretty soon, and PropTiger had been requesting that I should also come for some time. Great, it's always lovely to meet the Chennai residents. I love that city. I love the flavor of the city. I'm basic from Delhi, so the weather of Delhi and Chennai, being the hot weather, and I can relate it much better. So great. So I don't know what has gone so far. Ashish, I was in the middle of presentation with Ashish. Ashish was sitting Yeah.
Little bit
Okay.
heat out here.
Okay, no problem. So, good. So I'll be happy to answer anybody who raises any question. But just to tell you in brief, I was telling few other webinars that we are having. The other people that and many professionals and masters in the trade are telling that this is a bad time for real estate. Real estate is doomed and dying. All kinds of sorts of kind of a thing. I am a totally opposite and contrary to the opinion. And this is shown in many of our projects, including Chennai, Kolkata, Coimbatore, even Mumbai. That I feel it's for the actual user who actually wants to buy. This is a great time to buy, right? So the advantages I want to tell you, of course, you people are wise enough to take and much more than me, right? First of all, we are Imami. So it's a brand which is known world over, one of the biggest corporates, diversified groups of India. So the credibility, goes with it. So what we say, being a listed company, being a compliant company, and our projects is what we show. And we have these are the ongoing projects which Ashish was showing the presentations over the last 15, 16 years. We are in real estate. There are many projects. Initially, we were not doing many projects in our name. But one of the biggest malls in the country is the South City Mall, if you know, in Kolkata. It belongs to, we are the owners of that. Urbana Apartments, if somebody has visited Kolkata, is the best rated luxury apartment as of now in Kolkata, belongs to us. And many projects, even a Coimbatore project, the Colombo project, the project in Sri Lanka, which is one of the best after the world, belongs to us. So many projects we have done, we have delivered, people are happily residing out here. So Imami as a brand, you don't have to worry about. We care about ourselves first, our reputation first, and we make sure that whosoever resides out there are happy because after all, our parent company is FMCG. It's consumer driven, so we go by what consumers have to say, right? So that's one part. And secondly, coming to that, why it is a good time to buy? With unfortunately these crises which are going on out there, it's bad for the humanity and whatever's happening around the world. So many people have died out there. It's a circumstances which is unprecedented, where we have not seen in the last 90 years such kind of a thing in our lifetime. We are all young people. Of course, I also consider myself young. I have not seen this kind of crisis, but it's a time that one has to be dynamic. It's a time one has to be flexible. Traditional ways are going off and new ways are coming in. Who would know that, or who would have imagined we having this such kind of webinar and you people seeing me and we're addressing so many people all together, my team addressing all together. This is like new technology is coming and we have to live with it. See, this is a new normal which is coming. We have to understand and start adjusting ourselves, to the new way of life. Right, even after the lockdown opened up, so which is partially done in Chennai already, people will still be wearing face masks. People will still be using sanitizers. Sanitizers, nobody were even using it. Suddenly, it's become such a great commodity. When the lockdown happens, it was the market was full of black, blacking it out, and people are overpricing sanitizers. So you can understand that things are changing. New demands are coming, new technologies are coming. We have to live with it, right? So one advantage that has come is the technology. The second advantage is for a home user. See, the government has come out with many incentives, and the home loan rates is one of that, which is remarkable. It's all-time low. The last 7.4, 7.5% was way back in 2000, 2007, 2008. But that point of time, the prices of properties were really peak. That was all-time high, that kind of a thing. And the interest rates were close to about 7%. But unfortunately, last 3-4 years, real estate prices already have bottomed out. right? Now, whatever the prices, including us and all our fellow developers out there, these are the bottom line prices, below which, because everybody of us is hardly having a single digit profit, right? And it's a volume game. So how many projects that you can do in particular area, that's how we earn, right? The margin, like the McDonald's model. The McDonald's burger have a few pennies of profit out there, but the volumes all around the world is so much that the earnings are in billions of dollars. That's how the name of the game in real estate is going to happen, right? So the home loan rates are cheaper. So for an actual user, one advantage is that you're getting the cheap home loan rates. Second is all the developers, including us, are coming out with certain kind of schemes. We to facilitate our customers who had been requesting to have some kind of a scheme. So we had also come out with lockdown scheme. I think Ashish BP would have run through the scheme if you have not. So respective mails and would be sent to the people whoever is interested. And people had come to us, okay, everything is fine, say Emami product, it's a completed product, but we have to physically go and see. I totally understand. If I would also be a home buyer, I would also I would have gone through the virtual tours. I would have gone all through the brochures and literatures, but one time I want to see it. Or maybe I want to take my Vastu Guru and show it to him, which is very prevalent in Chennai, right there. It has to be Vastu compliant and all. So that's very understandable and for upside. So we have come out with this money back guarantee scheme. If supposedly you book a flat and you say that after the lockdown you said, okay, I want not this apartment, I want this apartment, so you have the full luxury to change apartment. And even if you want to decide, okay, for some particular reason, financial or XY reasons, I want to cancel the flat and I want a refund, 100% cancellation, the amount will be refunded without any cancellation deductions out there. So that also we have come out with. So that's a great thing. Second is we have seen a lot of NRIs showing great interest recently. We as Emami never used to go overseas and market kind of a thing, because our product was good enough to have sold, In fact, we were the best sellers for many months together pre-COVID times, It's the product which speaks with ourselves. So because of dollar volatility, a lot of NRIs have shown interest. So a lot of people, even if they are residing there in US or South Asia or UAE, are showing interest that everybody wants a house in their hometown. So they don't know that when they have to come back, this kind of crisis, today is a COVID crisis, tomorrow is some kind of a crisis can come. So security having in their meeting place is very important. So in Telumai also, in this COVID times, a few NRIs have bought it. Ashish will be happy to even share those details. I think it was South Asia, I think, Ashish, Indonesia, Singapore, I think.
Singapore.
Singapore, yeah. So that is a good thing. Second is, yesterday also you heard the Prime Minister speaking and 20 lakh crore incentives they have come and today our finance minister, she's going to address at 4 p.m. She's going to further detail it out what kind of incentives are given. And real estate, I meant you, real estate is the second biggest employer of the country, giving a GDP of 6% to the country. So they have to come out with incentives for real estate as well. So slowly we'll see more incentives coming out there and more money coming in the real estate. The liquidity has to increase out there. So you will soon see the stamp duty rates reduction. You will see interest subsidies being given, the CLSS scheme extended to 50 lakhs and above. So all those things are going to come. Right, so if you just calculate that, and you are wise enough, Chennai people are very educated, and people out there, you can calculate yourself. One is for Emami Tejura project, you have the entire GST benefit, right? Second is all the incentives from the lockdowns and all that we are giving. Third is all the incentives which is coming through the government. So you can calculate that. Apart from the GST benefit, easily you will house will cost about 10-11% less, which is a great benefit, and you've got a ready house with the home loan rates also coming down. So it's a great time to buy. So my friends, people who are saying that, okay, that really what will happen in the real estate and all. I don't know from where they are reading that or where they're coming out with. People have become great astrologers. I've been hearing few webinars where I was also one of the audience like you, and people speaking, things will normalize after 4 months. Somebody saying things will normalize after 9 months. Somebody saying things will not normalize ever. I don't know who have made them as these astrologers, what kind of gurus they've become. You will see pre-COVID times, so all the mutual fund gurus. Sir, the market is going to about 80,000. Market is going to go about 1 lakh to invest. Where have they vanished? I don't know, right? So please don't believe others. Your heart, your wisdom will speak by itself. And whether you want to take Emami or any other project, I'm telling you, I'm a non-biased person. If you're a home buyer and you are a self-user, please buy. It's a great time to buy, right? You can bargain, right? You can bargain. Emami has got standardized policies out there. You openly and transparently transmit all the policies out there. But they may be local, some small developers who are badly in need of money, or something. They are more flexible out there. I don't know. But please, if you want to buy a house, especially people are living in rented accommodations, you understand you are paying 30,000-40,000 rupees EMIs. Sorry, the rent somewhere. And if you take a house out there of your choice, your own house, you're paying the same amount or maybe even lesser amount as EMI. You're getting a higher moratoriums. So you are getting your own house, plus you're saving the rent when converting it to EMIs. What can be better than this? Right? So it's a great time. But there's a challenge. Whatever you decide, right? I'm not saying for the Emami forefront, whatever you decide, you have to be wise enough that the developer is sound, the project suits your requirement or not, and please invest in the projects which are completed. Or else, the projects which are not complete, it has to be a big brand out there, which has the financial capacity and liquidity, right, to be able to complete it, because there's going to be great liquidity crisis. You must also be getting all those kind of SMSs and messages. Pay 1% now, pay 10% now, remaining at the time of possession. Why are these kind of schemes coming? Because they're under construction projects. They don't have the money to start the construction. I'm not naming anybody, please. Please don't put me in some kind of a thing. Why these kind of schemes are coming? They want this 10% money. And what is going to happen for them? They actually want to start. What will happen? I don't know. Right? So if you know their balance sheets, they have enough liquidity out there, they'll be able to get it, you might go and buy it out. Right? But please don't get lured by these kind of things. I'm sure in Chennai also, I'm a part of the credit body over there also, many developers have come with these kind of schemes. Please take a conscious decision. Today, Emami is in front of you, a great location in Namur Toll Plaza, a project which is ready, a project which got great views out there, project construction-wise, flawless constructions, 225 families residing happily out there, awarded the maintenance to one of the biggest companies in the world out there. Even in this lockdown period, some people from the residents are requesting over the last 2-3 days, please allow my driver, please allow my driver. Sorry, sir. At this point of time, we're not going to allow that. You have to be here for some time. So these kind of safety precautions, the corporate like Emami can take it. Where we have to protect our brand first, right? And the safety of a customer first. Then to take these kind of varied decisions out there. I think it was a question answer sessions, and I've come to a speech mode. I think somebody has any questions, please put it through.
Thank you for your wise words, sir. Now we'll be moving on and taking some audience questions. So, first question is for Mr. Karthikeyan. He's asking how Navadvip is connected to the main employment and entertainment hubs of Chennai. Mr. Ashish.
Sorry, your voice is not clear at all.
Hello?
Repeat again if what is that and who are you posing this question to, please?
Okay. Mr. Karthikeyan is asking how Navalur is connected to the main employment and entertainment hubs of Chennai. Mr. Ashish, would you like to answer that?
Yeah, commercial development, as I told earlier, there are two basic commercial development which happened, Vivera Mall and Marina Mall. Huge commercial development, all the brands are there. As far as employment is concerned, Sipcot in one side, Tidal Park on the other side. we are on the junction of two IT major hubs, you can say. So this is a very good project for the income of location and vicinity. Again, that's
Okay, Mr. Vijay is asking, is there a benefit of siding with branded developers today, since prices are usually on higher side? Dr. Kumar, would you like to take that, please?
Sorry, come again, please.
Is there a benefit of siding with branded developers today, since prices are usually on higher side?
Benefit, yeah, it's all the benefit to have a branded developers. And branded developers have become brands because they have performed in the past, right? And we as Emami are not doing real estate, we are doing FMCG, Emami paper. In fact, I'd like to tell you, which also was a fact for me, that the front page of 99% of the newspapers of India is Emami paper, right? And we are also this world's second biggest manufacturers of the fountain pen tip in the world's second biggest. Yeah, Emami Arts is there, Emami Solar is there. There are many diversified groups out there. So that's how we become brands. And brand has not become, as of today, we are more than 33 decades old. Flawless history in this there. So it's always a great thing to buy brands because brands have performed, right? The past performance is a necessity, especially this times. Second is pricing high. I don't know how they have come to pricing high. Prices where it's a brand and unbranded have to be competitive, have to be realistic out there. We believe our pricing are realistic. How we have come out with this kind of a lockdown discounts and all out there is because we have volumes out there. In fact, I want to tell you, Emami Realty has more than 3,400 crores of investment in real estate alone out there. So right now we are doing these projects, we have future projects, and we have huge land banks in all around India. So we want to become one of the premium players in real estate. Many developers that I want to name want to shut down their shops. Their consolidation happenings out there. But our group policy is very simple. Please hear what I say. And this is the first time you will be hearing. Everybody in the world today want to take advantage. This is human nature, right? There are all kinds of things that are coming from many IPCs also these days, and many major big groups are going to consolidate. They're going to buy out this, eat away these smaller groups. We don't believe in that, and we were not going to do that at all, right? We believe survival of the fittest is completely wrong, contrary in today's age. As a brand, as one of the market leaders out there, it's our duty, our responsibility to be able to serve everybody. It's a balanced society. We also be there and let others also survive. This is our philosophy out there. So our prices are very competitive. Of course, we use all branded materials also. It's not only the brand that where we come from. If we hired L&T, it's one of the best contractors in the country. We have SOBA developers who are developers as well and contractors as well. They're also done our MEP part, right? So we have got all the best people at one place. So of course, their pricing will be maybe a little bit higher than the others, but it's a quality end of the day. Home is something which is there for years together, right? I hope I have answered this.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Miss Meena is asking, why should I choose Navalur for my next investment? Mr. Shabri, would you like to take that, please?
Yes, of course, Shurabhi. I think I love to give her two different answers for this. First, she was asking why there should be a next investment. Since we have a very good IT corridor, shopping hub, future metro connectivity is going to come, and great connectivity to the beaches and good road network. I think over people are now drive down to the OMR. They know the facility, the way it is given for a good road of network. This is the one part why they have to choose Navalur. The other part is because they know very well that today onto the investment options are being very less now due to pandemic situation where stock market is not stable and the gold rate is already there in the peak. FD rates are come down. It was about 8.5 to 8.75. Task rate has been come down to 7 to 7.25%. And if you look about then what is will be the next option for an investment, I think it's the right time to go for a real estate, no, where they get a very good yield return, the down line about next 2 to 3 years of time. So I think this is a very ideal time to go for a good investment, especially in OMR belt.
Mr. Ashish, Ms. Kalyani is asking, what is the booking value as of now and what will be the refund in case of any problem? Would you like to please take that up?
Yeah, sure. If somebody books right now during the pandemic period, the amount is refundable. The booking amount is refundable. The booking amount usually is 1 lakh rupees, and after 7 days they have to pay 10% of the booking amount after the sale of value of the apartment. But in case if somebody books through our digital medium and if after post lockdown he come to the site and he does not like the apartment, that is refundable. No cancellation charges there.
Sorry, Ashish, I will intervene. So whether it's a booking amount or the entire amount, whatever amount that you pay out in this pandemic time, in this lockdown scheme, entire amount will be refundable.
Right, sir.
Mr. Balbir is asking, please help, is it the safe time to buy now? Also, if I wait, can I expect better discounts and concessions? Mr. Dr. Kumar, can you please answer that?
It's a double-edged sword. You know, people might be thinking that prices are going to further come down. Well, the other way also can be the prices can go up. Yeah, we have to decide. I think what I have told you is that prices in real estate had already bottomed out. Last 3-4 years in residential, the prices already bottomed out. There is no scope, and I'm telling you on behalf of the entire developer community. The profit margins of people who are delivering today is in single digits, right? So if you are expecting that people will come down to 20% or something, some of our people in the industry, including Mr. Deepak Parekh, I respect him a lot. I've dealt him in the past. Has said that ready inventories and all people will pay 15-20% discount. And many of the IPCs also saying that. See, all people have their vested interest, why they are saying it, or they are going to fund the losses of ours, I don't know. But profits are very minimal. Whosoever has come down with any kind of lockdown schemes beyond this and this point of time, I don't think there will be any scope that any further discount can be given. Whether you buy my product, I'm telling you, or any other, right? Prices have already bottomed out. If you want to buy, take advantage today rather than waiting tomorrow. I'll tell you an example. I don't know how many of you are accustomed to Gurgaon in North India. Of course, Prof. Tiger already knows about it. I was in Delhi. I'm born and brought up in Delhi. 30 years back, Gurgaon started coming up, and DLF, who had massive land banks, and I was one of the customers. They kept, because nobody, Gurgaon was from Delhi, it's about 20-25 kilometers out there, and the highways, the expressways were not there at all that point of time. So nobody would have thought that, okay, going to Gurgaon and buy a house. So they were pleading, they were organizing all kinds of site visits, they were having their special buses run, morning and evenings, and please go and see, sir, and this, and prices were pennies out that point of time, right? And whosoever had taken decision that one time have become, millionaires. I'm telling you, millionaires out there. Although it's not the square footage. People buy houses by square inch also because prices have gone so high out there. But whosoever had not taken decisions, including me, are repenting. The prices were penny out there, and if I would have bought it, I would have earned. Just by putting few thousands out there, that wasn't thousands. I would have earned crores out there. So, whenever the time is right, it's the investment is right, your apartment is right. Please decide. Don't wait for what is going to happen in the future. Thank you.
Maniraj is asking, how is the social infrastructure in Avalur? Is it fit for family living? Are there any good schools around? Mr. Shabri, would you like to take that answer?
Yes, of course. See, there is a good benefit on Imami Tejamoya, in and around. If you look about St. John's School is there, Satyabama University is there, and Borough Silcheri IT Park. More than 40,000 employees are working. So that also is a great advantage. I think I can say all the top education institutes are placed in OIM. So it's the right location to go in.
Mr. Bijoy is asking, how is the
Sorry, just to intervene, to take on Sabri's thing. There is a future metro also planned out there. So for investment also, it's a great area, right? And with this COVID times, IT was already booming. It's going to further boom like anything out there. So the future in this area is very, very bright, irrespective of my investment out there. You know, this future, we have another parcel of land with the entrance of Siru City also. Earlier we were thinking, that okay, whether we should make this project because we have phase 2 of this Tejumaya also, which will have 1,000 apartments, make this apartment. But considering this thing, we have said no. Crop Tiger also have given us proposals. Okay, some developer want to buy or something. I said I don't want to sell. It's a great area. Why should I sell? Thank you.
Mr. Bijoy is asking, how is water supply in this project? Mr. Ashish, would you like to take that up?
Fortunately, we have sweet water 3 bore wells in the project. Until now, whatever the residence is residing, the tanker supply is very less. So we have a good water supply. But OMR, as you are aware, that there is a scarcity. But at the project, we have a bore well supply right.
Miss Abha is asking.
Yeah, so Ashish, that whether present and future, right? It's an assurance from us that there will be no shortage of water. That is an assurance from us. Whether the bore wells are sufficing our current and future requirements, plus we have tanker provisions. In most of the projects in that areas, tankers are there, Hirandanis, everything I see, tankers are there. So as far as a customer, as a resident, what we can say is that there will be no shortage of water.
So Miss Abha is asking, what are the maintenance charges in this project and what are the facilities for families with kids? Mr. Ashish, please answer that.
Right now, the maintenance charges per square feet is 2 rupees 85 paisa, which is the least in the entire vicinity. Nobody is charging so less amount. And the facilities that we are providing is a very good walking track inside the OSR area, the club, swimming pool, the 24 hours electricity supply. And in this pandemic also, we are taking very, very precautionary measures not to spread this virus inside the vicinity. So the people are staying. We are taking all measures as what is required by the government.
Moving on, Imami Realty has a special lockdown deal for our viewers. May I request the team to unveil the offer?
Ashish?
Mr. Yeah, as we said, this lockdown.
I see in this question answers, there are 2 questions which you have not raised. You would like to raise later, Bhava Swaroop and Balakrishna Venkatesan. In the question, they have raised few questions you would like to raise later. It's fine. If you want to raise it now, it's also fine. I believe, sorry, I'm intervening out there, but I think in this medium, we should answer each and every customer because we have been taught in Imami, customer is God. So if a God is raising question, we as humans have to answer, right?
Ashish?
Hello, I'm audible?
Yeah.
Yes.
Can you see the questions, please? Would you like to take that up, please?
Yeah, what's the floor rise charges in the project? Right now, we are taking 25 rupees floor rise from second floor onwards in Imami Tejumaya. What's the USP of the project compared to Hiranandani? As you know, Hiranandani are priced more higher than our project. The quality of construction of Imami is much better than Hiranandani project. We are bang on OMR as well as for Hiranandani, you have to walk half a kilometer down to get inside your complex. We are well connectivity to all the transport, whereas Hiranandani, you can say you have to come down, you need to have a vehicle requirement, but the vicinity and the transportation system is very nice.
You want somebody want me to add up or something?
Yeah, please add this.
Yeah, so the floor rise, Ashish has already spoken, but I think in the lockdown scheme, Ashish has some kind of scheme of floor rise as well, so that he's going to invest it. What is the difference between Hirandani and Imami? The main difference is the spelling. We start with E, start with H, right? But I think it is not correct for us to answer the difference. I think customers these days are much more smarter than we as a Imami platform would say the better things about any other fellow developer, and they would, as Hirandani would say, better things about them. Or you, it is you people to decide. What I can say, and I've been told by Ashish and the other team members, is a huge price difference. Huge price difference between Imami and Hirandani projects. So I think you should decide if you have visited, you would already know the difference. If you have not visited, I think Prop Tiger is a medium who can impart all the possible information, and I think you should decide. We saying that we are better is something I think it's not the right way to answer. And Niranjan Ji is a very respected person, and a good colleague, and I know him. So it's not right to talk about him. Thank you.
Okay, moving on. Imami Reality would like to unveil a video with a special lockdown deal. Can we play that, please? Thank you for the wonderful insights, everybody. Unfortunately, we are running out of time, so I would request our panelists to give their closing remarks, starting from Mr. Ashish.
Thank you very much, Surbi. Thanks, Prop Tiger, for giving us a platform to display our project, and hope to have a better business with you guys. And request all the customers to avail the scheme of no cancellation charges, 50% waiver in floor rise and PLC plus open car park free. In this pandemic situation right now, I request all my customers also and the persons who are watching the video to be safe. And thank you very much.
Dr. Kumar, your closing remarks, please.
Great. Thank you for having this platform to address everybody. I think the scheme is not presented out here. So I think, Surbi, I would request the proper thing. So individually, it can be mailed to everybody out there. And, as the current time, the first priority is to be safe and be healthy, right? Enjoy life, whatever situations out there, be positive. Thank you very much.
Mr. Roy.
Thank you everybody for joining. And as my colleague Ashish had pointed out, that during this pandemic time, you would be wanting to see the place. We may have missed out. We have the opportunity of showing virtual tours to you where every part, every corner of the flat can be shown to you. So please avail of this opportunity. And as Dr. Kumar has specified, this is the best time to buy. So let's all go ahead. Thanks, Prop Tiger. Let's do business. Good time. Thank you so much.
Mr. Nathan, please.
Yes, of course. Thank you one and all for joining on this webinar. And my heartiest thanks to Nitesh and Roy and Ashish to be a part of this webinar. And I'm very sure, I think all of the major questions has been answered. I think it's the right time to go ahead for investment. People are looking for it. And on this pandemic situation, stay safe. And who's been more serious buyers, we always can approach PropTiger, and we can be a bridge between the Emami and to the clients. Right? Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you, panelists, for joining in. Thank you, viewers, for watching. Feel free to drop the queries on the social media channel. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Project Hub series. Till then, take care. Goodbye.